In this video, if you have a black screen, TcL, well, you want to hold 3 buttons, this one, and within a minute you can fix this problem. The phone will restart, so when you see the logo, you just release. We went into the fast boot mode, so we want to exit. We can navigate by pressing the volume buttons. So we are going to power off. Now that we know that the screen is working, let us go ahead, turn on the device. So when you hold the volume down and power, that is to do a force restart to reboot the phone, clear the system of whatever not able to light up the screen in that case. So we just force restart everything. You can do so by holding the volume down and the power button. I hope that this was helpful. It was a quick fix. So bye bye. If you're new to my channel, subscribe.